Hello, I'm Febri Huda Agatama, NIM 2384 443. I will present about Gothic architecture and early Christian architecture. History of Gothic architecture. The term Gothic was coined in the Renaissance to describe late medieval art, with a negative meaning that was only lost in the 19th century. This style evolved from Romance architecture and was continued with Renaissance architecture. This architecture originates from 12th century France. Initially, Gothic architecture was known as a post-French or French style because it developed in France since the 12th century. The term Gothic was actually only given in the 16th century by Giorgio Vasari with a negative connotation. The term Gothic does not specifically refer to the Goths or Ostrogoths, but refers to non-Romance or non-Germanic civilizations which were considered barbaric and tasteless. Characteristic of Gothic architecture. Pointed arch is the meeting of two pillars in the form of a curve with sharp end, which is a characteristic of Gothic architecture. Clustered column are pillar columns that look like small pillars grouped together. Rib vault, a characteristic feature of Gothic building that is not found in other types of building, is the roof. From the inside, the ceiling looks like it's supported by several curved ribs that meet at one point in the middle. Butters is a supporting wall pillar that appears to port outward. The presence of this on the outer walls make the Gothic building look like it is composed of vertical lines from a distance. This appearance also makes him appear taller. Flying butters are butters that are spread out outside the building and connect to the main building by arches. These butters are to help support the heavy load of the walls and roof of the building. Tracery is a carved decoration that is usually found on windows and has a typical Gothic style. Structure and construction of Gothic architecture. The construction used materials such as brick wall, marble, and white limes as decorations. Gothic architectural space patterns. The plan shape is firmer than the previous Karn's plan, which was in the shape of a cross. The shape of the building is not rigid, more free and expressive, and has a far more classic impression. The following is an example of a Gothic architecture building called Cathedral Germany. This cathedral is the largest Gothic church in Northern Europe and has the second tallest twin tower in the world. The spare for its two massive towers give the cathedral the largest facade of any church in the world. The cathedral medieval builders had planned it as a large structure to house the relics of the three kings and should enroll as a place of worship for the Holy Roman Emperor. Then next is early Christian architecture. History of early Christian architecture. First period. The period of teaching and the beginning of Christianity is marked by the crucifixion of Jesus around 30 AD. Second period. The emperor used religion that allowed Christians to practice religion freely in Rome. Third period. Emperor Constantine converted to Christianity. Fourth period. Christianity was the official religion of the Roman Empire. Fifth period. The breakup of the Roman Empire. Characteristic of early Christian architecture. Main character: rectangular plan, a derivative of the Basilica Roman building, usually long, twice the wide. Pay attention to the lighting in the room. Ornament in the form of painting like a shepherd with the sheep. Widely spaced columns support the entablature of arch to get a wider span. Structure and construction. The typical construction of early Christian architecture lies in the columns that support the entablature and use wooden struts. Construction, like Roman building, is concrete. The material used are cement, marble, and granite. Early Christian space patterns. It has a elongated horizontal plan, lobed or a combination of square or pentagon and semicircular and circular or octagonal plan surrounded by an ambulatory. Fund consists of 1. The front of the portico or narthex. 2. The altar is placed on the eastern podium bema, behind which there is a semicircular room called the apse. 3. The main interior consists of a large room in the middle nave, which is on either side of the aisle, which is bounded by columns area. 4. Baptisteries are sparred buildings shaped like a circle of polygon. 5. The entrance is always on the west. The following is an example of an early Christian architecture building. Saint Clement Basilica, Italy. Saint Clement Basilica is a Roman Catholic minor basilica dedicated to Pope Clement I, located in Rome, Italy. This ancient church was transformed over the centuries from a private house hosting sacred Christian worship in the first century to a magnificent public basilica in the 6th century, reflecting the growth of the Catholic Church's legitimacy and power. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much.